Hey guys, hope this video's finding you well today, and I just wanted to shoot this quick message today. I was feeling a bit been thinking about this last few days, and this message is for me as much as it is for you. So really I'm talking to, you know, people like me in the 50s, maybe 60s, early 60s, who are just not ready to settle down and sort of just, you know, put their feet up and sort of think that's me done, and just, you know, run the clock down, so to speak, into sort of old age. That's I see a lot of people at my age who are doing that. You can see they're just, I'm done, they're comfortable, they're content, they're happy, and that's great. And that, you know, they know what they want to do, and they're just going to continue down that road. That's not me. And if you're watching this video, I don't think it's probably you, because I do think there's a group of us out there who are just thinking there's more to come from me. You know, there's a second act, there's another stage for me. I'm not quite ready for downing tools and calling it a day, so to speak. You know, I want to do more. I need to do more. There's something still there in there that's unfulfilled. So, you know, and probably if you've been feeling this for a long time, but for some reason you've put it off, you've not dealt with it, you've maybe suppressed it with being busy, with maybe going drinking, maybe, you know, partying, doing other stuff, I don't know, work, just throwing yourself into the kids and the family, and just not sort of this, not dealing with this thing that's there, that's this inside. And that could be, you know, many things. It could be starting a new relationship, getting fit and healthy like I promote on this channel. It could be starting a new business. It could be, you know, moving to a new part of the world, new careers. It could, you know, completely just reinventing yourself to a certain degree. And you'll know what it is, because it's your conscience. You know, it's your conscience is telling you, it's always nagging you, telling you that you should be doing this, that you should be doing this. And, you know, for example, you know, this YouTube channel is part of my higher self telling me that I should be doing more. You know, I put this channel off for 15 years, just because I couldn't face it. I couldn't deal with it. I had imposter syndrome. I thought, you know, why would anyone listen to me? But I got to that point in life where if I don't do it now, I'll never do it. And so this is part of the process. This is not the only thing that I'm going to do. This has become a gateway into other things. Again, with fitness and health, it's a gateway. It's a start of the process. So I just wanted to give this message today, saying you can do this. You can do this, right? But you've got to start now. In your 50s and 60s, you can't keep putting this off. And I'm telling you this to myself as much as I'm telling this to you. You've got to start. This is a great time, you know, just a great time of the year to think about this. We're leading up into the end of the year, where it's a time period of reflection, and obviously you've got the revitalization of a new year and reset time. And I'm saying to you now, I'm giving you permission, if you need it, that you have to go and do this thing, whatever it is that's still bothering you, still nagging you deep down in there. You've got to go and do it. You've got to go and do it. Now is the time. Can't give it another year. We can't be having this conversation next year and nothing's changed. It's not good enough. It's just not good enough. It has to happen. And it's, you know, I don't know what it is. It might take a long time, but the process has got to start. You've got to say to yourself, I can do this. I am going to do this. And, you know, just go from that point. Don't wait for the new year. Don't start waiting until like January. Do it now. Just start the process now, and just give yourself permission that you can do it, you can handle it, and you're going to do it. Okay? Because you can't escape this, and you don't want to be sat there, say 15, 20 years from now, going shoulda, coulda, woulda. You know, the pain will be too much. Start today. give it your best shot. You got it. And say, I'm on this journey too, so subscribe to the channel, you know, put your name, comment on this video, tell me that you're going to do it, tell me whatever it is you want to do, put it out there, put it into the world, make it real, and just start. I believe in you, just got to believe in yourself now. Good luck, and let's do it. See you in the next one.